Will you quit staring at me? It's making me nervous. Right! Shut up!
Oh, Max, clean it up. It looks disgusting.
Yeah, I will. Yeah, what do you want? Well, look, I'm sorry, mate. I've got a lot on at the moment. You?
Oh, Max, really, you shouldn't speak to customers like that. You'll have no business left.
Speaking of business, mind your own.
Max, I'd watch that pancake if I were you. The heat's very high.
Supposed to be, isn't it, eh? Try to give me a bump steer. You're not going to win that way.
I don't need to. I'm going to win fairly and squarely.
What? Fair? You? Only time you were fair was when you're proxide.
Oh, that's good, coming from the person who cheated me out of the school swimming trophy.
Oh, yeah? And who conned Mum out of Grandma's vase then, eh?
Oh, really, Max? Sometimes you can be so petty.
Me? Petty? Look, I'm a reasonable bloke. You ask anybody around here. I'm noted for my reasonableness.
It must be very difficult.